Alright, Charlotte. You gonna go get sister? Good job. Good job. Where are you going?
Mom.
Oh, kisses from sister.
Home.
Where are you going?
I'm going.
Oh, Charlotte. You're supposed to stay still at this age. You know that, Charlotte? You're supposed to stay still at this age. You don't think so? Oh, Mommy's gonna be in trouble. You're gonna be into everything in no time, huh? Huh.